Hi, my name is Peter, and I'm here to show you two extensions to Ptolemy, Homer and ptdroid. Let's look at Ptolemy through its graphical user interface virtual. In Ptolemy, you're able to create a model based on a pipe and filter architecture. For example, let's take a source, a microphone, and through some computation, turn it into a time domain signal and spectrum that the user can go and analyze. We want to take these and visualize it on an Android handheld. To be able to visualize it on Android handheld, you first have to design the layout that we're going to use, and for that, you can use a tool called Homer. You can just open up a model that's been previously created in Virgil and use all the sinks and sources and attributes to design its own layout. You can just go and define a screen size, for example for the Samsung Galaxy Tab, and a screen orientation, and go and drag and drop the different sinks that we want to show, and maybe the different sources if we want to use the microphone on the handheld device. We can also go and put down static elements and annotations like a label, and define the name of it, or go and resize all of these components or align them together. We can also rename tabs, as the whole layout is based on a tab view, or create new tabs, put in other things, or rename them or delete them. We can also put out different attributes, for example, what bitrate should the microphone use when it's recording. The only thing we need to do after that is to save the layout, and let's move to the Android device. After firing up the Android application, we can choose to connect to an available server or maybe add a new server. And after connecting to a server, we get a listing of the available models, and with the model we get the available layouts for that model. Selecting these will just get you to the same screen that we created before with the UI Designer, and we can start the simulation right away and see as Anar yells into the microphone. We can also switch between the tabs or switch the selected bitrate on the fly, just as we have specified in the layout. Depending on the sinks used in the model, we might also have some different options for that representation. In this case, we can move the graph around or zoom in on any part of it. We can also pause and stop the simulation at any time. Another cool feature we have is going back and selecting a different layout for the same model. This will start a new simulation right away using the new layout. Thank you for listening to our demonstration. I hope you enjoyed it.